How to turn off picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to disable YouTube's picture-in-picture mode. So this mode allows you to swipe up while watching a video so that it continues playing in the small window. If you want to turn this feature off or on, follow the steps. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of YouTube application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account and it's updated to its latest version available. Open your system settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, you can scroll down and search for YouTube, or you can also use the search bar at the top, type in YouTube, and once you find the app, scroll down and there you will see the option of picture-in-picture. That is below the appear on top option. Tap on it. As you can see that this feature is enabled in my device. And in a case if you want to disable it, you can simply toggle the switch off. And if you'd like to enable it again toggle the switch on. This will allow the app to create a picture-in-picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. For example, to continue watching a video, listening to a music or a podcast, and this window is shown on the top of other apps that you're using. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can turn off or on picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.